Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put 2024 Nissan Pathfinder in neutral, updated. Start by fully stopping the vehicle and keeping your foot on the brake, then move the shifter to neutral or use the electronic release if equipped, confirm the indicator shows N, and set the parking brake before exiting or towing. Always follow safety precautions and consult your owner manual for model-specific steps and warnings. If the Pathfinder won't shift from park, find the shift lock release cover near the shifter and remove it with your key or a flat tool, then press the release while holding the brake and move the shifter to neutral, watching the dash indicator change to N. Always keep the brake engaged and avoid forcing components to prevent damage, and consult professional help if resistance persists. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more how-to videos. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading your vehicle manual and repair guides anywhere, with sharp text and long battery life, making roadside reference simple and lightweight, which pairs nicely with car troubleshooting. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When preparing the Pathfinder for towing, confirm the transmission is in neutral and review the owner guidelines for flat towing and AWD precautions, as improper towing can damage the drivetrain. Consider disconnecting the battery or using a manufacturer-approved procedure for extended moves. Secure the vehicle with wheel chocks and double-check tow connections and lights to keep everyone safe during transport and avoid costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.